Steward Steel was founded in 1950. We've been around for 71 years, 3 divisions with structural, bar division, and the hollow metal division. We're aiming to get more and more efficient as we crank out more and more tons. I started assessing where we could improve the business, and I knew our shop had a lot more capability. We needed more machinery to help us increase our throughput, and Prefabco has helped with that. My goal was to reduce our hours per ton, and I believe a robotic plasma cutter could help us achieve that, and it has. After we got the plasma cutter and started realizing how much time we were saving cutting tube especially, it became a dedicated tube line, and then we just started growing from there. We loaded up the PCR-42 with tube and needed another machine to run more column. Over the past 5 years, we've gone from doing less than 6,000 tons a year to now we do over 15,000 tons a year. The PCR-42 really saved us time on tube. If you had a vertical brace with 4 end preps, you're going to spend at least 20 minutes, and now we can run that tube through the machine in 5 minutes. It's less material handling, and you're not waiting on the saw. It actually cuts faster than a saw. Prefabco has worked hard to get the machine running accurately for us. They have supported us well. They have helped train us on how to use this machine. They're a good, solid company, and Steward Steel is pleased with their purchase of the PCR-42.